Today's lesson is about practice for solving exponential equations. For number A, first of all, you need to isolate the exponential form on one side. So we add 9 first. You got 0.3 times 5, 2x plus 7 equals 17. Then we divide it by 0.3 both sides. You will get 5 2x plus 7th power equals 17 over 0.3. Then you will take a log both sides, log base 5, log base 5. Then you will get the 2x plus 7 equals log base 5, 17 over 0.3. Then we know this is a linear equation, so I need to minus 7, then divided by 2. That will be your x. So I will get the log base 5, 17 over 0.3 minus 7 over 2. Then we put this into calculator. You will get x equals negative 2.246. Now for B, we got the 4 to the negative 3x plus 9th power equals this one. We got to take log both sides. Log base 4 of 4 negative 3x plus 9th power equals log base 4 of 1.536 times 10 to the negative 4th power. So we got negative 3x plus 9 on the left side equals log base 4 1.536 times 10 to the negative 4th power. Then we solve this linear equation. You got to minus 9 divided by negative 3. So we get the x equals log base 4 1.536 times 10 to the negative 4th power minus 9 over negative 3. We put into calculator, we will get answer will be 5.111. Now let's go to C. First of all, this is an exponential equation. We need to isolate the exponential form on one side. So we add 1 both sides. We got 0.7 e 1 over 3 natural log of 5 times k equals 9. Then we divide by 0.7 both sides. You will get the e 1 over 3 natural log of 5 k equals 9 over 0.7. We got to do natural log both sides. So we cancel this one, get the 1 over 3 natural log of 5 times k equals natural log of 9 over 0.7. We are looking for k. This is a linear equation. So we divide by 1 over 3 natural log of 5 both sides. Then we put this into calculator. You will get the k equals. We need to put all this into calculator now. K will be 4.760. Now let's go to D. First of all, I will take a log base pi both sides. Then we work on the left side. We got 3x minus 5 equals. Exponent, we need to drop down. We got the negative x plus 8 log base pi of e. Then we do distributive property. You will get negative x log base pi of e plus 8 log base pi of e. 3x minus 5 is on the left side. Then we know this is a linear pattern equation. Move all x on one side, number the other side. We will get 3x plus x log base pi of e equals 5 plus 8 log base pi of e. Then we take x outside. We got 3 plus log base pi of e equals 5 plus 8 log base pi of e. Then we divide it by 3 plus log base pi of e. Then this will be your x. Put this into calculator, you will get x equals 3.095. Now let's go to e. First of all, we get rid of this denominator. Therefore, we multiply by 2 both sides. You will get e to the x power minus 5 e to the negative x power equals 4. We know this will be the quadratic pattern. So keywords equal to 0, you will get the e to the x power minus 5 times. Negative exponents, you turn into positive exponents, will be 1 over e to the x power minus 4 equal to 0. Then try to get rid of this e to the x power. Every single term in this equation you need to multiply by e to the x power. Therefore, we got e to the x power squared minus 5 minus 4 e to the x power equal to 0. Organize the order. You will get the e to the x power squared minus 4 e to the x power minus 5 equal to 0. Then we set up e to the x power equals to y. Therefore, we got the y squared minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. To ninja x, we got y minus 5 times y plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, y1 equals 5 and y2 equals negative 1. Then we replug back e to the x power for y. So we got the e to the x power equals 5. Then we do the natural log both sides. You will get the x equals natural log of 5. For this one, you will get the e to the x power equals negative 1 empty set, because remember a to the x power has to be greater than 0. So x equals natural log of 5 will be the solution. Now let's go to f. First step, multiply by 4 both sides. You will get the 3e to the x power minus 7. Change e to the negative x power into 1 over e to the x power equals to 4. We know this is a quadratic pattern equation. Therefore, 3e to the x power minus 7 times 1 over e to the x power minus 4 equal to 0. Then we multiply by e to the x power for each term. You will get 3e to the x power squared minus 7 minus 4e to the x power equal to 0. So we get 3e to the x power squared minus 4e to the x power minus 7 equal to 0. Now we set up e to the x power equal to y. We got 3y squared minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Then we do ninja x. Negative 21 over 3 over 3. Negative 4. We got negative 7, 3. Reduce 1 over 1. Now we put the variable at the bottom, then do the bottom up. You will get 3y minus 7 times y plus 1 equal to 0. y1 equals 7 over 3. y2 equals negative 1. Now we plug e to the x power for y. We got e to the x power equals 7 over 3. Then we do the natural log both sides. You will get x equals natural log of 7 over 3. For y2, we plug e to the x power. You got e to the x power equals negative 1. That's an empty set. So that's the only solution for this equation.